Hello, everyone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to talk to someone in English, but you didn't know how to start the conversation? Maybe you see someone new at work. Maybe you meet someone at school. Maybe you sit next to someone on a bus. You want to speak, but your mind says, "What should I say?" Maybe you say nothing. You just smile, and the moment is gone. Don't worry. Many English learners feel the same. Starting a conversation can feel difficult. But the truth is, starting a conversation in English can be very simple. You only need a few easy phrases. Today we will show you how. By the end of this episode, you will learn easy conversation starters, friendly questions, natural English phrases, a real conversation example, and you will feel more confident speaking English. Ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Chatify English, the place where you learn real English for real life.
I'm Arthur.
And I'm Lily,
We speak slow, clear English.
so you can understand easily.
Listen with us
Practice with us.
and speak with confidence.
Before we start, we want to meet you. Write in the comments your name, your country, and one word about conversations. For example, my name is Sarah. I'm from Egypt. My word is hello.
Or, my name is David. I'm from Mexico. My word is friends. We love reading your comments. In this episode, we will do 3 things. First, you will listen to a simple story.
Second, you will learn 15 phrases to start conversations.
Third, you will practice a real conversation between 2 people. By the end of this episode, you will know how to start conversations in English naturally.
Let me tell you a story. This story is about Emily. Emily moved to the United States from Brazil. She lived in New York City. Emily could understand English. She could read English, but she had one big problem. She was afraid to start conversations. One morning, Emily went to a coffee shop. The cafe was busy. Many people were talking. Some people were working on laptops. Some people were chatting with friends. Emily stood in line. In front of her was a woman. The woman smiled. Emily smiled back. But nobody said anything. Emily thought, maybe I should say hello. But she felt nervous. Her mind asked many questions. What should I say? Will my English sound strange? Will she understand me? So Emily stayed quiet. She ordered coffee. She sat at a table. She looked around. People were talking easily. She felt a little sad. Then something interesting happened. A man sat at the table next to her. He looked at Emily and said, "Hi, is this seat taken?" Emily said, "No, it's free."
The man smiled. Thanks. After a few minutes, he said, "Nice weather today, right?" Emily smiled. "Yes, it's beautiful." The man continued talking. "Are you from New York?" Emily said, "No, I'm from Brazil." The man said, "Oh, wow, Brazil is amazing." They talked for 15 minutes, about food, about travel, about New York. When Emily left the cafe, she felt happy. She realized something important. Starting a conversation can be very simple. The man started with, "Hi," then, "Nice weather today." Just 2 small sentences. That day, Emily learned, sometimes small words start big conversations. And today, you will learn those small words.
Let's learn 15 phrases to start conversations. Repeat after us. 1. Hi, meaning friendly greeting. Example, "Hi, how are you?" Repeat, "Hi." 2. Hello. Example, "Hello, nice to meet you." Repeat, "Hello."
3. How are you? Example, "How are you today?" Repeat, "How are you?" 4. Nice to meet you. Example, "Nice to meet you, Anna." Repeat, "Nice to meet you." 5. What's your name? Example, "Hi, what's your name?" Repeat, "What's your name?"
6. Where are you from? Example. Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? 7. Is this seat taken? Example. Is this seat taken? Repeat. Is this seat taken? 8. What do you do? Meaning job question. Example. What do you do for work? Repeat. What do you do?
9. How's your day going? Example. How's your day going? Repeat. How's your day going? 10. Nice weather today. Example. Nice weather today. Repeat. Nice weather today.
11. Do you live here? Example. Do you live here? Repeat. Do you live here? 12. Are you new here? Example. Are you new here? Repeat. Are you new here?
13. What are you doing today? Example. What are you doing today? Repeat. What are you doing today? 14. That's interesting. Example. Oh, that's interesting. Repeat. That's interesting.
15. It was nice talking to you. Example. It was nice talking to you. Repeat. It was nice talking to you.
Let's practice one phrase. Phrase. How are you? Slow. How are you? Normal. How are you? Fast. How are you? Repeat again. Now another phrase. Nice to meet you. Slow. Nice to meet you. Normal. Nice to meet you. Fast. Nice to meet you. Practice like this with all 15 phrases. Your pronunciation will improve quickly. Hi.
Hello.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's beautiful today.
My name is Arthur. What's your name?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from this city?
No, I'm from Canada.
Really? That's interesting. Do you live here now?
Yes, I moved here last year.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot. The parks are beautiful.
I agree. I come here every weekend.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, about 10 minutes away.
That's convenient.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer.
That's cool.
Thanks.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
You too.
Let's review. 5 key phrases. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? How's your day going? Nice weather today.
3 helpful questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do?
2 polite expressions. Nice to meet you. It was nice talking to you.
5 common mistakes. Wrong. What your name? Correct. What's your name? Wrong. Where you from? Correct. Where are you from? Wrong. Nice meet you. Correct. Nice to meet you. Wrong. I from Spain. Correct. I'm from Spain. Wrong. What you do. Correct. What do you do?
Level A1. Repeat. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? How are you? Nice weather today.
Level A2. Answer questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like English? What do you do on weekends?
Answer these questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like doing? How's your day going? Write your answers in the comments.
Today you learned how to start conversations in English. You learned simple phrases like, hi, hello, nice to meet you. Where are you from? How's your day going? These phrases are used every day in English conversations. Remember,
Conversations usually start with simple greetings. Then people ask easy questions. For example, what's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? These questions help people know each other. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on communication. Small conversations help you practice English naturally. The more you start conversations, the easier it becomes. Remember something important. Confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the easier English becomes.
start small conversations. Say hello. Ask simple questions. Smile and speak.
Every conversation helps you improve.
And we are here to help you every step of the way.
If you'd like to continue, watch the following video on 50 daily English phrases for real conversations.